So guys, before I begin this video, I want to wish everyone a happy Independence Day. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, in this video, I'll be teaching you a new intraday trading strategy which is very simple, and we don't have to use any indicators in this, and it will be very simple and no formula also. It's just a simple calculation based strategy. Okay, so I'll be explaining you about all these things in this video, and so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And also, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. So you guys can subscribe to my channel to get all the knowledge and more strategies what I upload in my channel. And before that, if you're new to trading and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, and if you're having losses and want to recover your losses, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot in the description below of this video, that is trading0.blogspot.in. so you can see all the details here, and also you can see the earning proof of my clients whoever has joined and are making consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these things, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you guys can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this. Okay, so you can watch the video till the end so that you guys will get all the information regarding this. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let me teach you the strategy itself. As I said you, the strategy is very simple and no need of any indicators. Okay, so I'll be explaining you how to make an entry, exit, and what is the target and stop loss, everything for this strategy. So watch the video till the end to get all these points. And also, I have been backtesting this strategy for a few months now, and it's giving a good decent amount of accuracy also. Okay, so if you guys want to learn more accurate strategies and more techniques, you can join us, and in my course I'll be teaching you more accurate strategies and more accurate way of picking the stocks and everything. Okay, so now let me explain you the strategy. So as I said you, the strategy is very simple. So even with a very simple strategy, people can make profit. Okay, but the thing is, you have to be very consistent in using one strategy, and also you should follow the discipline and have patience in stock market. Okay, so this was a little tip what I wanted to give. So now let me explain you the strategy itself. So for this strategy, we'll use one simple calculation and just a 15 minutes candle chart. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have to pick any stock above 150 rupees from Nifty 50. Okay, and you can keep like 2 to 3 stocks in your watch list and keep observing them only. So don't observe more stock, you'll get more confusions. So to avoid confusions, we will keep 2 or 3 stocks in our watch list and only observe them. So here I have taken Reliance as an example. Okay, so now what you have to do is, after the first 15 minutes candle is complete, okay, after the 9:30 a.m, you will do one simple calculation, that is, you will calculate high minus low of the first 15 minutes candle chart, and after that calculating, you'll get an answer. So that answer should be divided by 2. So after dividing by 2, you will get one value. So that value will be our trading value. So now I'll explain you that. Okay, so here the first 15 minutes candle high is 2120.75 and the low is 2109.65. Okay, so by doing that, we will get an answer of 11.12, and divided by that, like divided by 2 of 11.1 is 5.55 rupees. Okay, so now what you have to do is, you have to add 5.55 rupees to the candle high. Okay, so that is, for example, here it's a 2120.75. so if we add 5 rupees, it will be around 2126 somewhere. So we will be buying to Reliance if it goes to 2126, or the low is 2109. So if it comes below 2104, we will short sell it. Okay, so for the low, you have to minus 5.5 rupees, and for the high, you have to add 5.5 rupees. Okay, so now you can see that the stock has went up. Okay, so 2126 somewhere is our buy. So here is our buy level 2126. So from here the stock went all the way up till 2148 somewhere. Okay, so 2149 is the high made for the day. So this is how the strategy is. Okay, you have to follow like this. Now I'll show you with some more examples so that you will understand. And the target and stop loss can be 0.5% target and 0.5% stop loss, which will be safer. Or if you want to take a little bit of risk, then you can keep 1% target and 0.5% stop loss. But 0.5% target is very easy to achieve, and that is giving in a good moment. Okay, so now coming to the second example, guys. So here you can see the first candle high is 2126.2 and the low is 2116.6. Okay, I've already added in this spreadsheet, and the answer is 9.6, and divided by 2 for this answer will be 4.8. So add 4.8 rupees to the first candle high. So if it goes above, you can buy it, or if it comes below, we can short sell it. For the low, you will subtract 4.8 rupees, that is 2116.6 is a low. So if you subtract 4.8 rupees, it will be around 211. Okay, 2111. So if it goes below 2111, we will short sell, and 2111 somewhere here we will short sell. And if it hits 10 rupees, then it will be our 0.5% target for this stock. Okay, so here it is, and if it goes below, it has went till 2105. Okay, so our target has been achieved. Okay, so 0.5% target is been hit here. So this is how the strategy is working. So you guys can even backtest this strategy and see how it will work. Okay, and coming to the another day example, so 21099.35 is a high and 2088.35 is a low. So if you calculate that, so if you make high minus low, we get 11 as an answer, and in level, if you divide it by 2, 5.5 is the answer again. So now we'll add for a high 5 rupees, that is 5.5 rupees, 2099. So let's consider it as 2099. So if you add 5 rupees, 2104 is a buy, and if you subtract this 2088.35, and if it goes below 4 rupees, then it's a sell. So you can see sell side has not been triggered and the buy side has been triggered here. So 2104 somewhere here, so it has been triggered here and it has went all the way up, and our 0.5% target is easily achieved in this. Okay, so guys, this is a strategy which you need to observe. So let me know how you feel about this strategy. Okay, and if you guys want to learn more about how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.